Good morning, students. Good morning, teacher. Today we have a class of international history. Be attentive on this lesson, students. Today I will teach you all an interesting lesson. Alright, teacher. Today we will learn about Bangladesh, a naturally amazing beautiful country also known as Land of River. There are 700 rivers flow in Bangladesh. Among this number the Padma, the Meghna, and the Jamuna are the biggest river. Bangladesh is located in the south part of Asia. Bangladesh shares its border with India and Myanmar. Bangladesh has a lot of history. They got independence from Pakistan on December 16, 1971. They celebrate their Victory Day on December 16th. The area of Bangladesh is 56,977 square miles. Their population is near about 164.7 million as of 2017 report by World Bank. The majority of the population are Muslims and rest of are Hindus, Buddhists, and Christians. The capital of this nation is called Dhaka. The currency name is Taka. The national language is Bengali. The traditional dress of this nation is called Punjabi and Lunjai. The traditional food is rice and fish. The national poet of this nation is Qazi Nazrul Islam. The national flower is water lily, bird is magpie, fruit is jackfruit, and the national animal is called Royal Bengal tiger. The national sports of this nation called Hatu-Do. Bangladesh is the only nation in this universe who had war for their mother tongue in February 21, 1952. Abdus Salam, Rafiq Uddin Ahmed, Abul Barkat, Abdul Jabbar and so many people lost their lives on this war by open fire of police. The Shaheed Minor Monument commemorates those who lost their life during the protests on the 21st of February 1952. You will be glad to hear this. The February 21st became International Mother Language Day, announced by UNESCO on November 17, 1999. And it was formally recognized by the United Nations General Assembly. They celebrate their International Mother Language Day by flag hoisting, parades, singing patriotic songs, speeches by the President and Prime Minister, entertainment and cultural programs. Teacher, have you ever been in Bangladesh? Yes. I have been in Bangladesh in 2017 to visit the longest sea beach in the world named Cox's Bazar. Wow. That's beautiful. Yes. It is. Teacher, tell us more about Bangladesh. We are interested to know about this nation. In March 25, 1971, Bangladesh had a bloody war against West Pakistan. The war lasts for 9 months. After a successful 9 months of war, they got their victory on December 16, 1971, from Pakistan. Bangladeshi people declared their Independence Day in March 26, 1971. On this war, the nation lost more than 3 million lives. That was so weird and pathetic. In December 16, 1971, Bangladeshi people waved their national flag as an independent nation. Sheikh Mujibur Rahman was the main leader of Bangladesh under the Awami League Party during the Liberation War. The peoples of Bangladesh called him father of the nation. Wow! It seems the peoples are amazing of this country. Yes. They are. Alright, students, I will give some homework for this lesson. Okay, teacher. Alright. Write down on your exercise book. Number 1, when Bangladesh achieved their independence from Pakistan. Number 2, which date they celebrate their Victory Day. Number 3, who was the leader of Bangladesh during Liberation War. Number 4, when the 21st of February announced as our International Mother Language Day. Number 5, how many population in Bangladesh? Done, teacher. Alright, the class is over. Next class I will describe more briefly about Bangladesh. Have a good day, students. Thank you, teacher. Have a good day too. Okay. See you on next class.